Starting around 16 October 2023, Nexo generally is exchanging at 53 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. Nexo essentially has an in every way that really matters all-out market cap of $299,239,378 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,982,609 in an unpretentious manner. This especially makes Nexo fundamentally positioning at 97 in the digital currency market in an especially huge manner. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo really be worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Is Nexo an essentially wise speculation or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge way? Will Nexo cost truly outperform its unsurpassed for the most part high in an unpretentious manner? These certainly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost certainly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of 76 cents, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be 72 cents. Besides, Nexo can especially arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of 81 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo is gauged to really be at around a base worth of 61 cents incredibly. The Nexo value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a truly limit of 69 cents, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars, or so they thought. Nexo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo sort of is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around an essentially least of 66 cents, fundamentally further appearance how these fundamentally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which explicitly is very huge. Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a truly limit of 72 cents, with the extremely normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars in a kind of significant way. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents. For the most part, further appearance how besides Nexo can fundamentally arrive at a greatest value level of 81 cents in an essentially significant manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around 71 cents, which explicitly shows that basically is Nexo a very wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at an in every way that really matters normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 78 cents and a truly least of 72 cents. Which sort of shows that besides Nexo can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of 81 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo by and large is supposed to sort of be at around a sort of least of 72 cents, showing that this explicitly makes Nexo really positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market, which generally is genuinely critical. Nexo cost can in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of 81 cents, with the typical cost of 76 cents in United States dollars, which generally is very huge. Nexo passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 2.12% in the absolute most recent 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. Nexo essentially is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an especially significant manner. The Nexo for the most part is down to nearly 0.52% in the essentially most recent 7 days in a fundamentally huge manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past most certainly couple of days. The coin could explicitly have serious areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource and fundamentally transient in a significant manner. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo basically diminished by 25.722%, dispensing with an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of 19 cents from its especially current worth, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be, in all things considered, great really purchase an open door for especially fast speculation, exhibiting that this abrupt down by and large implies that the coin especially is in plunge at this moment, implying that it can be a really great generally purchase an open door for speedy interest in a kind of huge manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 36.53%. And the cost in a real sense circled from a really least by and large normal cost of 79 cents to extremely greatest kind of normal cost of 86 cents in the for the most part beyond 90 days. Which sort of demonstrates the way that the Nexo value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of 69 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in a kind of huge way. Nexo basically is somewhere near 27.79%, with the greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 67 cents and the by and large least genuinely normal cost of explicitly was around 65 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months, showing how Nexo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is supposed to basically be at around a truly least of 72 cents. Exhibiting that this explicitly makes Nexo really positioning at 97 in the digital currency market, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge 2023 facts. What will basically be Nexo in every way that really matters, worth in 2023, which generally is very huge. The Nexo cost generally is determined to especially arrive at an especially greatest degree of 81 cents, with sort of least cost of 72 cents toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is really anticipated to sort of arrive at a genuinely normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of 78 cents and a truly least of 72 cents, which in a real sense shows that besides Nexo can, all things considered, arrive at a very most extreme value level of 81 cents, which truly is very huge. Does Nexo in a real sense have a future, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Nexo for the most part has a remarkable exceptionally potential to especially arrive at new levels, so sort of is Nexo in every way that really matters, wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking. It generally is figured that Nexo will increment in esteem, so this truly makes Nexo beautiful positioning at 97 in the cryptographic money market in an extremely enormous manner. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Nexo can sort of raise a